Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the prerequisites. Now start configuring. First, open your terminal and run ozconfigure. When prompted, paste your IAM access key ID and secret access key exactly as provided. Next, set your default region to the closest AWS region code to reduce latency. Finally, choose an output format such as JSON for scripts or table for human reading. Once done, the CLI writes to /oz/credentials and /oz/config so you can use other commands immediately. Now extend the basic setup to handle multiple accounts and roles. Create a named profile using ozconfigure profile miprofile. This keeps credentials separate. For temporary sessions, export AWS access KEY ID and AWS secret access KEY, or use Oz SDS assume role to get short-lived credentials. To access cross-account resources, edit /oz/config and add role arn plus source profile under the profile block. Make sure to reference the profile with profile or set AWS profile so commands target. Finish by validating your setup and knowing one key fix. Run Oz SDS get caller identity, profile the profile to confirm credentials and account. If you get access denied or malformed request errors, inspect /oz/credentials and /oz/config for formatting errors or extra quotes and verify region names. If a profile isn't applying, make sure AWS profile isn't overridden by environment variables. Unset them or explicitly pass profile. This single troubleshooting step fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.